In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best mini food processors in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Cuisinart Mini Prep has saved me on multiple occasions when I only needed a small amount of an ingredient and did not want a large cleanup a full-size food processor entails. Its 3-cup capacity is perfect for quick pesto or grinding roasted hazelnuts for weekend scones. The option to chop or grind lends this model versatility in food prep, and you can pulse or run in either mode. The blade reverses direction, allowing the use of sharp and blunt sides depending on your needs. Best of all, it has a lid with 2 holes in it for adding liquid. Hello, homemade aioli. This choice also comes in multiple color options for optimal counter decor possibilities. The bowl is dishwasher safe and has a handle for easier transfer of ingredients, and the touchpad control could not be easier to use. Number 4. This cordless mini chopper took about 2 hours to fully charge, which is enough to chop 40 onions. Within seconds, it turned an onion into evenly chopped pieces, ready for sautéing or adding to salads. When it comes to firm ingredients like roasted nuts and hard cheese, it didn't have any issues grinding them super finely. This high-quality food processor requires no assembly, and its safety measures can effectively prevent young children from turning on the device by accident. Its 5-cup capacity allows for 1 medium-sized onion or 1 tomato at a time, which is sufficient for most kitchen tasks, though you might need to work in batches if you're preparing food for a large crowd. Though we liked how convenient it was to use, this food processor isn't without flaws. There's no chute on the lid that allows you to add ingredients while in use. Instead, you'll have to load everything before running a processing cycle. Number 3. Whether you're transitioning from solely hand chopping or want a smaller, easier version of your bigger processor, this Hamilton Beach model is easy to assemble and simple to use. Its stackable design takes up little room on the counter, but still offers a 3-cup capacity to tackle salsas and dips. It also has a built-in oil dispenser for making your favorite hummus or salad dressing. The ease of use cannot be understated. Once you stack the bowls, a simple press is all it takes to operate. There are no complicated locking mechanisms or twisting parts. With a 350-watt motor and stain-resistant bowl, this powerful little chopper is a great choice for a home cook looking to simplify, but still have a tool to make short work of herbs and vegetables. For easy storage, the built-in cord is designed to coil under the base. Number 2. If you're looking for a food processor that does it all, Braun's 12-cup food processor is the device for you. This food processor is made in Europe and designed with German engineering for a sturdy and dependable food processor that's up to the challenge of chopping, dicing, pureeing, and more. It has 7 attachments, including a grater, kneading hook, chopper, juice presser, and more. You can use this to mix up the perfect dough, grate a pound of cheese, or dice and puree a delicious, freshly made salsa. It has multiple attachments to make a whole range of foods and treats, and it also features a dual control speed system, which allows you to customize the speed and texture. Even though this machine is up for almost any food processing challenge at 600 watts, it boasts an energy-efficient and quiet motor many reviewers rave about. The only downside to this machine is that it doesn't come with anything to store the attachments when not in use. Otherwise, it's an excellent option for at-home chefs and those who want a food processor that does almost everything. Number 1. There's a lot to love about this mini food processor from KitchenAid. Beyond the large palette of colors available, this compact processor has 2 speeds and a pulse option to guarantee you get the cut you want. Chop or puree with a simple press of your thumb on top of the handle. The most genius part of this design, though, is the drizzle basin. It serves as a funnel to slowly add oil for a perfectly emulsified dressing. This mini food processor is beloved for economy of space and versatility of applications. The 3.5 cup work bowl locks the blade in, so it doesn't fall out when you empty it. There's a built-in spout for mess-free transferring of liquids, too. The bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.